So this HVAC plenum is out of a 2001 Dodge 3/4 ton with a Cummins. So there are plenty of videos out there as far as tearing apart the dash and getting to this guy. But some I just want to point out to make absolutely sure that you know is that you've got from the engine compartment side of the firewall, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screws, anchors that you gotta take out to get this guy out. And then from the front, so this would be from as if you were in the cab, there's a screw that's in here. So yeah, I would recommend, and this is something I just figured out right now, before you tear into this, get all your parts. And I would recommend getting a replacement for this vacuum harness that powers these guys, that guy there. Yeah, mine looks like it's in pretty good shape, but if I would have known that it was in there, I would have replaced that, just since I have it all out. So about to do a blend doors rebuild on this, and trying to think what else. The HVAC lines weren't exactly fun, that's for sure, but not impossible. On the HVAC lines, when you get your disconnect tool, the disconnect tool goes in from this side, this way. Not this way, but this way. And 5/8 disconnect tool. And this guy here, ridiculously expensive right now. $400 for that actuator. And as far as I know, as far as I can see, this is the only electric actuator on this whole plenum. The rest of them are vacuum. So this one actually still works. This is the original one. Haven't had any problems with it, but once again, I figured if I'm in this deep, I'm just gonna rebuild as much of it as I can. So I'm probably gonna sell this guy. Yeah, I tell you what, I'm gonna sell it. I'll have it listed on eBay in the next, I don't know, week or so. And so given the market, probably be asking 100 for it or so. So that'd be saving you 75% off of the cost of a brand new one. So anyways, oh, and this one comes with a heater treater upgraded, I don't know what you call that, sheath. So replace the original sheath, I don't know, a year ago. So if you have any questions, just put them in the comments.